Welcome to our video on how to seamlessly transfer your playlists from Spotify to Musi. Whether you're switching platforms or just exploring, we've got the best method for you. First, let's briefly overview Spotify and Musi. Spotify is renowned for its vast music library and curated playlists, while Musi offers a user-friendly interface and easy access to music from different sources. When transferring playlists, it's vital to use a reliable method to ensure none of your favorite songs are lost. We'll guide you through an effective tool for this task. Now, let's dive into a step-by-step guide on using a transfer tool or app that makes the process effortless. Start by authorizing your Spotify and Musi accounts. Most transfer tools will guide you through this process securely. Next, you'll want to select the desired playlists for transfer. Make sure to choose all the ones you want to keep rich in your music library. It's wise to check if all songs in your playlists are available on Musi. Some tracks may not transition smoothly. If you run into common issues, don't worry. We'll troubleshoot them together to ensure a successful transfer. In conclusion, transferring playlists doesn't have to be a hassle. With the right tools, you can move your music collection quickly and easily. We encourage you to explore Musi after the transfer. Discover new songs and enjoy your music like never before.